Why you're not improving in English. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Learning English is an exciting journey, but many learners feel stuck. They study for months or even years, but don't see much progress. Why does this happen? In this video, we'll explore the key reasons why you're not improving in English and how to fix them. Number 1. You're not listening enough. Many learners focus too much on grammar and vocabulary exercises, but don't listen enough. Listening is the foundation of language learning. When children learn their first language, they listen for years before they start speaking. If you want to improve, you need to surround yourself with English every day. Listen to podcasts, watch English movies, and try to understand the sounds and rhythm of the language. The more you listen, the easier speaking and understanding will become. Number 2. You translate everything in your head. One big reason you're not improving is that you're still thinking in your native language. If you always translate from your language to English, it slows you down and makes sentences sound unnatural. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. You can do this by using simple English definitions instead of translations, describing things around you in English, or speaking to yourself in English throughout the day. Number 3. You're afraid of making mistakes. Many learners hesitate to speak because they are afraid of making mistakes. They worry about grammar, pronunciation, or saying the wrong word. But mistakes are a natural part of learning. Think of how children learn. They make lots of mistakes, but keep speaking anyway. The more you practice speaking without fear, the faster you will improve. Find a conversation partner, join language groups, or even practice by talking to yourself. Number 4. You study passively instead of actively. Reading textbooks and watching videos can help, but if you're not actively using what you learn, you won't improve much. Passive learning means you are only receiving information. Active learning means you use English in real situations. Try writing a short paragraph in English every day, summarizing what you read or watched, or having conversations with others. The more you engage with the language, the faster you'll progress. Number 5. You don't have a daily routine. If you only study English once a week, it's hard to see real progress. Learning a language requires consistency. Create a daily routine, even if it's just 15 to 30 minutes a day. Listen to English while commuting, read an article every morning, or practice speaking with a friend. A little bit every day is better than a lot once in a while. Number 6. You're using the wrong learning methods. Not all learning methods work for everyone. If you've been studying the same way for a long time without results, it's time to change your approach. Some people learn better with visual materials, while others need to speak and practice with real people. Try different techniques, shadowing, repeating after a native speaker, writing daily journals, or playing language games. Find what works best for you. Number 7. You're not practicing speaking enough. If you can read and write but still struggle to speak, the problem is simple. You're not speaking enough. Speaking is a skill that needs practice, just like playing an instrument or a sport. If you don't have a speaking partner, try talking to yourself, recording your voice, or using apps to connect with other learners. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Number 8. You're expecting quick results. Many learners want to improve fast and feel frustrated when progress is slow. Learning English takes time, and expecting immediate results will only make you feel discouraged. Instead, focus on small improvements. Celebrate your progress, whether it's understanding a new phrase or having a short conversation without hesitation. Consistency and patience will lead to success. The takeaway: how to start improving today. If you feel stuck, don't worry. You can start improving today by making small changes. Listen more, practice speaking every day, and stop translating in your head. Use English actively and create a daily routine that works for you. Most importantly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you use the language, the faster you'll improve. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content for English learners like you. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and see you in the next video.